Ever wondered how it would feel to create anything you want right at your fingertips? Welcome to the magic of 3D printing, a technology that brings your imagination to life. It's like having a personal factory at home. But how does it work? Let's take a journey into this fascinating world. Imagine you're making a cup of coffee. You start with raw materials, coffee beans, water, milk, sugar. You follow a process, brewing the coffee, adding hot water, milk, and sugar to taste, and voila, you have your cup of coffee. Now replace coffee with any material like plastic or metal, the coffee maker with a 3D printer, and the process of brewing with a digital blueprint. That's it, you're 3D printing. Layer by layer, the printer creates your object, meticulously following the digital blueprint. Just imagine, from a simple digital file to a tangible object in your hands. Isn't that fascinating? So, where do you think you might have encountered 3D printing in your daily life? Well, let's dive into a world where this technology is making waves. One of the most significant areas where 3D printing has made a mark is the medical field. Imagine a young girl who loves playing basketball. She lost her arm in an accident, but because of 3D printing, she's back on the court again. How? Through a prosthetic limb, custom made just for her, thanks to 3D printing. This technology has revolutionized the creation of prosthetics, making them more affordable and accessible to those in need. But it doesn't stop there. 3D printing also plays a key role in creating medical implants. Surgeons can now print patient-specific models of organs or body parts, allowing for a higher level of precision during surgeries. Moving from the hospital to the highway, let's talk about the automotive industry. Companies are using 3D printing to manufacture parts. This not only speeds up the production process, but also allows for the creation of complex designs that would otherwise be impossible or extremely costly to produce. Now let's take a turn towards the trendy. In the world of fashion, designers are pushing boundaries with 3D printed jewelry and clothing. These unique pieces are not only stunning to look at, but also showcase the potential of this technology in crafting intricate and personalized designs. And for the food lovers out there, you'll be pleasantly surprised to know that 3D printing has found its way into the culinary world. From 3D printed chocolate sculptures to personalized pasta shapes, this technology is adding a whole new dimension to gastronomy. As you can see, the possibilities with 3D printing are endless, transforming lives and industries in unimaginable ways. And remember, we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. As we continue to explore and innovate, who knows what incredible applications we'll see next? So, what's next for 3D printing? As we gaze into the future, the possibilities seem endless. Imagine a world where 3D printed homes are the norm, not the exception. These aren't just any homes, but ones that can be created in a matter of days, not months. They're cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and tailored to the individual needs of their inhabitants. Now let's take it a step further. Picture a world where waiting for organ transplants is a thing of the past. Rather than relying on donors, we could print organs specifically designed for the patient in need. And what about food? That's right, 3D printed food. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. Already we're seeing the beginnings of 3D printed meals, tailored to the nutritional needs of each individual. 3D printing holds the potential to revolutionize industries, making manufacturing faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Imagine a future where you can print a meal or a house just as easily as you print a document. How would that change your world? Isn't it fascinating to ponder over how 3D printing has revolutionized our existence and what lies ahead? We've uncovered its awe-inspiring elements, witnessed its practical uses, and projected potential. We are merely scratching the surface. The universe of 3D printing is vast and uncharted. Picture the infinite potential. Now I want to pose this query to you. Given the power to 3D print anything, what would you choose and why? I encourage you to express your ideas as we extend this discussion. Before we wrap things up, I'd like to take a moment to ask for your support. If you've enjoyed our journey into the world of 3D printing and are as excited about its future as we are, then please subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with others who might find it interesting. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to stay updated with more content like this. Your support helps us bring more of this content to you. So let's keep the conversation going. Remember, the future is in our hands, or in this case, in our 3D printers. Thank you.